Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today it's really exciting day. 3 weeks has passed and our sauerkraut should be ready. I don't really know what to expect, but I am really excited. If you'd like to support a small channel like mine, please watch till the end, hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. I would really appreciate it. Thanks so much. I've got still a bit of water in the rim, so let me open it. It's still nicely submerged. The water was floating there. And it smells like fermentation, like nicely made cabbage. So let me dig into it and let's see what we can find out there. Cabbage leaves on the top made a nice protection and insulation, so they are still in place, intact. We've got a nice color, red color from peppers. And this is what we've got from 1 kilo of cabbage. I am so excited. And these are the leaves from the top. They are still intact. It is definitely worth debate. I don't know if you make something, I always have the great sense of achievement afterwards, and these will go straight to the fridge. So it's definitely worth debate. It was just 3 weeks and only what I had to do, I had to be topping up the water in the rim, and I'm gonna link the video how I made it, so if you missed it you can come back to it. I'm already thinking what I am going to do next. I've got some kohlrabi, carrot, pepper and stuff like that, so I'm gonna make something else. So all you need to have some space in the fridge so they can go straight into it. And let's have a little taste. I already had some taste, so I couldn't resist it. So it's only peppers, cumin, cabbage and ginger and salt. This is so awesome. Absolutely wonderful. You need to have a go. Honestly, you need to have a go. I can't stop eating, so I think I'm gonna finish this video so I can enjoy my homemade sauerkraut. Woohoo! And let me know in the comments below how do you make yours, or are you thinking to make your first batch? Let me know some awesome recipes. I am really curious to know and try something new. Much appreciated. Thanks a lot. So if you find this video useful, please share with your friends and family, spread some love, hit the like button, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And that's all from me, from my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.